Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to After Effects for green screen keying step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. In the top navigation bar, click on Creative Cloud. Scroll down to find After Effects in the list of applications. Click on the After Effects link to get to the product page. Review the features and specifications of After Effects. Look for the pricing option on the page and click on it. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. If necessary, create an Adobe account by clicking on Sign in the top right corner. Fill in your email address and set a password for your new account. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation email from Adobe. Return to the After Effects pricing page after verifying your email. Select your chosen subscription plan again. Click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button based on your selection. Enter your payment information if you're purchasing a plan. Review your order details carefully before clicking Checkout. Once your transaction, return to the Adobe homepage and click on Sign in to log in to your account. Go to the Apps section to find After Effects listed under your available downloads. Click the Download button next to After Effects. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Once installation is complete, open After Effects from your Applications folder. You're now ready to start using After Effects for green screen keying. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.